Salmon are among the world's most iconic fish, known for their rich flavor and nutrient-packed flesh. Their journey begins in pristine hatcheries, where millions of fertilized eggs rest in oxygen-rich tanks. Inside these tanks, technicians maintain perfect temperatures and oxygen levels. After weeks, the eggs hatch into tiny alevins that still carry a yolk sac. These alevins gradually become fry, learning to swim and feed in flowing water. As they grow, the fry are moved into larger tanks with strong filtration systems. These tanks simulate natural rivers, helping the salmon develop strength. Dozens of staff ensure every tank is clean, balanced, and safe for the fish. Every day, automated feeders distribute nutrient-rich pellets to thousands of hungry fry. After several months, the fry are strong enough to be transferred to ocean pens. The young salmon are released into massive offshore ocean pens surrounded by deep cold waters. These floating farms allow more space and a natural current to simulate wild conditions. High-tech sensors constantly monitor oxygen levels, water quality, and fish health. Underwater cameras scan schools of salmon for signs of illness or poor growth. Feeding systems automatically release precise amounts of nutrient pellets each day. Workers visit each pen daily, inspecting netting, feeding status, and fish behavior. Each pen holds up to 100,000 salmon, growing rapidly thanks to cold, clean water. After 18 to 24 months, the salmon reach market weight about 4 to 5 kilograms each. They are now ready for harvesting, a process done quickly to preserve freshness. Fish are gently guided into large tubes that transport them onto the harvesting boat. At the factory, select female salmon are carefully handled to extract premium roe. The vibrant orange eggs are filtered, cleaned, and chilled immediately. Roe is graded by size and firmness, destined for luxury sushi or caviar markets. High-quality roe is vacuum-packed and labeled for export worldwide. Leftover roe and waste are repurposed as fish meal or fertilizer. In the cutting room, high-speed blades fillet thousands of salmon per hour with precision. Skilled staff inspect each fillet, ensuring vibrant color and perfect thickness. Next, fillets are vacuum-sealed in sterile plastic for freshness. Packed fillets move into ultra-cold freezing tunnels set at -40 degrees Celsius. Each pack is labeled with QR codes, nutritional info, and export stamps. Salmon roe is simultaneously pasteurized and packed into luxury glass jars. Quality control officers sample each batch before shipment. Forklifts load the final products onto refrigerated trucks for distribution. Every shipment is tracked by GPS and temperature loggers to ensure freshness. From farm to freezer, the cold chain ensures no compromise in quality. In markets, shoppers select salmon by color, cut, and packaging date. At restaurants, chefs prepare exquisite salmon sushi, grilled steaks, and more. Whether fresh, frozen, or smoked, salmon reaches every corner of the world. From egg to plate, this is the journey of one of the world's finest fish. Thanks for watching. What food process would you like to see next?